What's your name?
My name is Steven Jose Payares Vanegas.
How are you?
I am 22 years old.
What's your what is your hometown?
Hometown Santa Marta, Magdalena.
Where do you live?
I live in Santa Marta.
Where's your what is your marital status?
I have a relationship of 4 years with my girlfriend.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing soccer, go to the gym, and reading a bike.
What is your profession or occupation?
I am a food processing technology.
Tell us about your work experience.
Okay, I have worked as a warehouse clerk and reception 1 year and 6 months.
What is your educational background?
I am a food engineer.
Where are your professional qualities?
Okay, I am a cheerful, respectful person with a strong and responsible character.
Where are you skilled and with nice?
Okay, my skills are keenness, lack of interest, respect, and tolerance. My weaknesses are the flexibility that I give people. I am very generous and I give my confidence.
What make you the best candidate for this position?
Well, I am a good candidate because my responsibility, my discipline, and dedication.
What will we get if we hire you?
Well, if you hear me, you will get efficient in work, responsibility, dedication, excellent, and an honest person. Thank you.